Could Apple be working on something huge for the iPhone 17 Pro? If the latest reports are true, we might be seeing the most advanced camera system ever put into an iPhone. And we're not just talking about slightly better photos. This could be Apple's biggest leap in mobile photography, aimed directly at content creators, prosumers, and anyone who takes their smartphone camera seriously. The rumor that's making waves is about Apple testing a new variable telephoto lens with up to 8x optical zoom. That's a massive jump from the 5x optical zoom we saw in the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the expected iPhone 16 Pro models. But the key term here is variable. Right now, iPhones switch between fixed zoom levels, but a variable zoom lens means smoother, more natural zoom transitions, just like using a real camera lens. Think of Sony's Xperia 1V or Xperia 1.4, which used similar tech. That same pro-level system might finally come to an iPhone, allowing users to zoom in and out without that clunky jump we're used to. But Apple isn't stopping there. Another major leak says the telephoto sensor could get a serious upgrade from 12 megapixels to a full 48 megapixels. That means crisper detail, better low-light performance, and way more flexibility when editing or cropping your shots. Combine that with the 48 megapixel main and ultra-wide cameras Apple already uses, and you've got a trio of ultra-powerful lenses on one phone. For photography lovers, this is major. Imagine being able to shoot wide, standard, and zoomed in shots, all with the same sharp resolution and pro-level quality. And it's not just hardware upgrades. Apple is rumored to be working on a brand new professional camera app. Right now, if you want manual controls like ISO, shutter speed, or white balance, you usually need a third-party app. But Apple might finally be building these tools into iOS. The idea is to give users full control over their camera, just like a DSLR, but in your pocket. Combined with the new hardware, this would make the iPhone 17 Pro a dream tool for mobile filmmakers and serious photographers. The design is getting some subtle changes, too. Leaks suggest a new desert titanium color, think a copper-like finish, and possibly a new button just for photography and video capture. It might be placed on the top right edge of the phone, allowing quick access controls just like a real camera. The Apple logo might even be lowered slightly on the back, giving the phone a fresh look without a full redesign. Internally, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to come with more RAM and improved video capabilities. Some reports say Apple might add support for dual video recording from both the front and back cameras at the same time, something content creators would love. And this time, all these camera improvements aren't just about matching the competition. With Samsung rumored to be reducing its telephoto zoom range from 10x to 5x in the Galaxy S4 Ultra, Apple could leap ahead in the zoom game. That's a surprising reversal. For years, Samsung's Ultra phones were known for their long-range zoom. But now, Apple might be the one offering the best zoom experience on any smartphone. If you're into mobile photography or video, this might be the iPhone worth waiting for. Better lenses, more megapixels, pro features, and a design that looks and feels premium, all wrapped in one device. We still have a long way to go before Apple officially reveals anything, but these leaks show they're planning something big. So if you were on the fence about upgrading, 2025 might be the year Apple makes that decision for you. Let us know in the comments, would better zoom and pro-level camera tools be enough for you to upgrade? And if you want to stay updated on all the latest leaks and news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.